Sarkar movie summary in English. Let's begin. Sundar Ramaswamy is a wealthy and ruthless NRI corporate raider in the United States, referred to as a corporate monster due to his ruthless business dealings. His imminent arrival in Chennai scares companies since they think they are a target for him. But he arrives to vote in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly election. However, he finds that someone else has already voted in his place. Sundar approaches the Tamil Nadu State Election Commission and demands a stay on the election result for his constituency, an annulment of the fraud elector's vote, and the ability to cast his vote legitimately. They agree with his opinion. He raises awareness among the public regarding fraudulent voting and finds that many people face a similar problem to his when trying to vote. M. Masilamani, the previous CM of Tamil Nadu, is re-elected. His daughter Komlavalli and fellow politician and brother Malarvannan Rendu celebrate. Sundar visits his family, rekindling with Neela, his brother's estranged sister-in-law. Meanwhile, Masilamani receives suitcases full of black money as he discovers a journalist, Muthukumar, hiding inside the luggage to record evidence of his corruption. Masilamani kills him and buries the case. Sundar's actions bring him into conflict with Masilamani and Rendu. Although Masilamani's party won the elections, the Election Commission annulled the result based on Sundar's plea to recount the votes, and the court decided to schedule fresh elections within the next 15 days. After many assassination attempts on him by Rendu's henchmen, Sundar decides to contest the election against Masilamani as an independent candidate and resigns from his company to avoid any conflict of interest. Initially unpopular among the masses due to his corporate background, Sundar delivers a speech detailing his rise from a humble fisherman upbringing to a business magnate and his struggle from poverty to riches, gaining massive support. Sundar and his supporters gatecrash an event involving the merger of Masilamani's party with the opposition. After Sundar confronts Masilamani regarding his silence on district-related issues, the police brutally beat up Sundar and his supporters. At this juncture, Sundar realizes that the entire political system in the state and country needs reform, so he decides to contest in all constituencies in Tamil Nadu along with his supporters. Sundar acquires video evidence wherein people who had attempted to expose Masilamani's corruption died under mysterious circumstances, and he plans to reveal it to the media to discredit Masilamani and have him arrested. Meanwhile, Masilamani's daughter Komlavalli, based in Canada, arrives in Chennai after discovering that her father and uncle have lost support due to Sundar. She decides to spoil Sundar's reputation and frame him as a corrupt and power-hungry person. Komlavalli orchestrates a car accident, planting a case of money stolen by a mysterious person, blaming Sundar for the accident, which causes him to lose considerable public support. Komlavalli furthers her agenda by killing her father with an overdose of diabetic tablets so that her party will gain sympathy votes. These crimes ensure that Komlavalli, the new chief ministerial candidate for her party, would likely win the election. On election day, Twitter messages generated from Muthukumar allege that Sundar has stashed black money in various locations, which further degrades Sundar's reputation. However, unknown to anyone, the tweets were sent by Sundar himself, as Muthukumar was one of those activists killed by Masilamani. Further messages lead to the discovery of Muthukumar's decomposed body, exposing Komlavalli's lies. Meanwhile, Komlavalli finds out that her mother has decided to expose her role in Masilamani's death at the latter's memorial in front of the media later in the day. She arrives at the memorial with her henchmen to stop the expose, but Sundar subdues her henchmen, and her mother's confession is live-streamed, which ensures that the public support is back with Sundar. Sundar and his supporters win the election, while the police arrest Komlavalli and Rendu for various crimes. However, Sundar decides against becoming the chief minister and instead chooses one of his supporters, an honest collector, to be the next chief minister.